Hello friends, we are here at BES Expo 2018 and we are having Ashruf El-Dinary from XPERI, Vice President of Radio Technologies. He will be talking about HD radio. So Ashraf, welcome to BES Expo 2018.
Thank you.
My first question would be, what is HD radio?
HD radio is a digital broadcast technology that allows radio stations operating in AM and FM band to transmit not only their analog program, but a simulcast in digital as well.
So how digital radio is better than analog radio?
So analog radio suffers from a lot of interference and impairments, and it only allows a radio station to transmit one audio program. With a digital radio broadcast, we are allowing radio stations to transmit more information, up to 4 audio programs on one frequency, as well as additional data and services. The best part about digital radio is that it improves coverage and reliability and maintains a high level of audio quality across the entire reception area.
So you mean to say that on one frequency we would be able to transmit 4 number of channels. Am I right?
That's correct. Yes.
So it is a saving of spectrum also. And what are the other benefits in digital radio like value-added services? I heard that we can transmit images, text and other information also.
Yes, with digital broadcasting, you're allowed to transmit any type of data that's of information use. So the service of radio is to inform, educate, and entertain the public. Obviously, the audio provides a lot of entertainment, but with the data services, we are able to include imaging and text capabilities for educational and information. We also allow emergency alert and notification services for public service and public safety, as well as real-time traffic and data services for interaction with car drivers.
So I heard about single frequency networking also. So how it is going to help broadcasters and a particular nation like India?
So our vision for India is the establishment of a digital frequency network for all India radio. What we can do with SFN, or single frequency network technology, is set up a series of transmitters across the country that will enable continuous programming from south to north, east to west, up to 4 audio channels, maybe more than that in the future. And that will allow greater coverage and more programming unified across the entire country.
So at present, HD radio standard is mainly adopted in America. So what are the other countries who have followed this standard?
So currently HD radio is standardized in US, Canada, and Mexico. We also have operations in the Philippines and Bangladesh. We also have operations in Romania in Europe.
So in HD radio, as you said that digital signal is accommodated with existing frequency band and analog signal. So do we have any interferences issue due to this?
So we've been operating for over 15 years with no interference issues across the world. Our system was specifically designed to minimize any interference with existing analog or future digital systems. The best part of the technology is that we have proven operationally 24 hours a day for 10 years the viability and strength of the system.
So if we compare HD radio system with its competitor like DRM Plus and DAB Plus, which system is better?
It's a very difficult question to answer. I think all the digital radio systems have their strengths and weaknesses. The best part about our system, I think, is the infrastructure that we've developed for receiver products and for transmission products. If coming to our booth, you're able to see a wide variety of receivers and transmission equipment available, all at very low cost. So I think the maturity of our technology allows us to enter the market at very competitive prices for the consumer.
So as like in earlier days we have changed from medium wave to FM, then at that time we need to change our receivers also. So similarly in case of while transitioning from analog to digital, do we need to change our receivers, and if so, then what would be the cost of those receivers?
So our system, as I said, is simulcasting both analog and digital. That means existing analog receivers today can still pick up the analog programming. If the consumer wants to get the new digital program, they can purchase a new HD radio receiver. Manufacturing costs are in about $20 to $25 out of the factory for a lot of the products. So adding on, retail cost maybe 35 US dollar. I can't convert to rupees very quickly, but that's a very good price point.
Okay.
So this is an example of a car receiver with HD radio technology. We also have low power phone, cellular phone, and as well small portable radios for the park and for the beach. This one as well? Yes. So we have a wide variety of receivers. Okay. No, that's okay. It's okay. Looking at the receiver, you can see a lot of information here. This one is broadcasting, as you see, HD1 program.
Okay.
I can tune on the same frequency, 96.1, to HD2, which has additional music. And then I can tune to HD3 on this particular one, which has a third audio channel. The benefit of the technology is the ability to send additional data, which can be text or imaging information.
Thank you so much for participating in BES Expo 2018.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.